Today in this video I'm about to show you a method using which you can make up to $800 per day by simply suggesting names to brands. Yes, you heard it right. There are brands out there who are looking for creative names for their company, and they create open contests on some platforms where you can go and participate and suggest names, and that name is picked by the company. You get paid massively for it. These are some recent results from that website. Someone suggested Readably and he got $100. Someone suggested another name called as LearnLow and he made over $300. Then someone suggested Graphenic and he got $135. Someone suggested Boric Bloom and he got over $135. So you see, the potential is really huge on this website, and you can make really massive money when you are using this website. Now before getting started, I must tell you that this method works worldwide. You can be from anywhere in this world and still make money using this method. You don't need to be online all the times to make money. You just have to do some entries in a day that will probably take you not more than 1 hour a day, and you can make up to $800 in that whole day. So what exactly you need to do, how to do it, what's the most efficient way to do it, how to find such creative names in an instant, I'm going to talk about all of that stuff in this video. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's talk about the website from where you are going to get these kind of stuff. So this website is called as squadhelp.com. You can come to this website and you can see that you have two options here: start a contest and view names for sale. So this is what you can do. You can go and participate in contests which are available and suggest names, or you can create your own products in the name of brands and then sell those names. So the process of signing up is very simple. You need to come to this website and click on sign up, and you just have to fill in all of these basic details like your name, your email address, your password. Then the most important step, you need to click on join as a creative or marketplace seller. You are not a buyer, you are a seller. So you plan to submit name ideas, logo designs or sale names in domain marketplace. Just need to click on this button and then click on create account. That's all which is needed, and you'll be able to make your free account on squadhelp.com. Now let me show you some more things. For example, when you come to this page and it says active contest, you can see that you can go to active contest by clicking here, and as you can see that there are various offers available right now. They are looking for a catchy name for an IT startup and they are willing to pay $500. They want a unique name for a financial advisory firm and they'll be paying $300 for just a name suggestion. Now in this one, they are looking for a name for a furniture store and they'll pay you $300. So you see, the money which you can earn is enormous using this method, and there are very less people who know about it. You have a lot of potential when you come to this website. Now the big question is that how to find such creative names, because it takes real effort and time if you are going to do that manually. So to do that, I'm going to show you 3 amazing tools which are my favorites, and then I'll be telling you how to use them and make use of them to submit names on squadhelp.com and eventually make money. So what are these tools? The first tool which I'd like to introduce you is called as Nameless.com. So you need to come to Nameless.com, and it is an automated tool which will generate a business name for you. So for example, I'm looking for a furniture store. So I'll just search for furniture keyword and click on generate. Now I need to set that what kind of names I'm looking for. I'm looking for medium names and long names. Then I'll click on next. Then what kind of name style you're looking for. You need brandable, you need multiple words, you need real words. You can select whatever option you are looking for. You can even select rhyming words, person names, misspellings. It all depends on what you are looking for. So let's say I want to go with multiple words. Then I'll click on generate, and it will just take a few seconds and it will generate something really and amazing, powerful names which brands can use. Along with that, it will also generate logos so that you can get an idea of the branding. So furniture leaf, furniture, then Moda furniture, green furnishings, plush furniture, agriculture furniture, furniture displayed, cupcake furniture, furniture roots, furniture blend, domestic furniture. You see, all of these creative names are generated along with the logos. So now all you need to do is take these names and fill in the contest with these names. Now let's talk about another website. Another website is called as Truic.com. As you can see on the screen, you need to go to this website and then you can see various tools which are provided by them. They provide you with a business name generator tool, business idea generator tool. So we want to go with business name generator tool, and here you have to enter a keyword. So I'll search for furniture here, and then I need to select the industry. Now my industry is design and creative, so I'll click on next. Then I need to select my city, so I'll enter New York. Then I'll just click on next, and within a few seconds it's going to generate some really good business names. And you see it is also suggesting domain names with it which are available. So this is how you can use Tweak to generate amazing and awesome business names which you can apply on squadhelp.com. Now there is another website which is my favorite, which I'd like to share with you, and that website is really cool. It is called as leandomainsearch.com. So you need to come to this website and type in the keyword, and it will display you a list of all the domain names which are available with a .com extension and which can be used for your brand. For example, if I search for yoga here and I hit enter, it will generate lots and lots of domain names like Yoga Communications, Droid Yoga, Equity Yoga, Scout Yoga, Yoga Machines, Report Yoga, Yoga Proxy, Grey Yoga, Yoga Send, Yoga Import. You see there are so many domain names which are available. All of these are available, and you can suggest these to your contests. Now if you want to filter out that you just want a short domain, you can filter by length. If you want to filter by alphabetical order, you can do that. If you want to filter by starts with the search term, you can do that. If you want to filter by ending with the search term, you can do that. You have all of these options on leandomainsearch.com. So guys, this is a very simple method. All you need to do is you need to go to the contest, take participation, see what they're looking for, come to these websites, search for the keyword, select the best one out of those, and submit it in the contest. That's it. That's all you need to do. No technical stuff, no complicated stuff, no hard stuff. You just need to follow this simple process over and over again. Take participation in maximum contests and select the best of best domains and select the best of best names for them, and you will be rewarded very heavily for it. Even if you manage to win just 2 contests, let's say you take participate and you fill in 2 or 3 contests every day and you just manage to win 1, even then you'll be easily able to make $300 per day. That's how easy and simple it is. That's more than $10,000 a month, and that's really powerful. So guys, I hope you have learned how to make money by suggesting domain names and brandable names to companies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.